Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a crypto enthusiast, join the fam by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications so you don't miss any updates from the crypto world. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Backpack Exchange has opened the claiming phase for all crypto users. If you've completed tasks, earned points, or participated in their test nets, you are eligible. You can now receive BP tokens. Also, if you've been following the project on social media since the beginning, you're eligible as well. So what exactly is Backpack? It's an all-in-one regulated crypto platform created by Coral XYZ. It includes a high-performance exchange and a self-custodial wallet. It supports Solana, Ethereum, and other networks, and features unique executable NFTs. The exchange offers spot and derivatives trading, while the wallet allows staking and secure asset management. By the way, you'll find all the resources for this airdrop in the link in the description below. If this helped, drop a like and share it with someone who is farming this airdrop. And subscribe for more crypto tutorials and safety content. Stay smart, stay secure, see you in the next one. And happy claiming, Crypto Fellows!
Don't